In this video, I'll explain how to create and download a backup of your Blackboard course. First, let's create the backup. Log into Blackboard and enter the course you'd like to back up. In the Control Panel, expand the Packages and Utilities section and click Export Archive Course. On the Export Archive Course page, click on Export Package. That brings up the Export Course page. Under File Attachments, for Course Files Default Directory, select the option to copy links and include copies of the file in the course default directory. Now under Select Course Materials, we want to copy everything, so click on Select All. Now for the discussion board, select the option for Include Only the Forums with no starter posts. Click on Submit. The system now begins to create the backup, which takes some time. When the backup is complete, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can download the package which contains the backup. Now let's download the course backup. As we did before, in the Control Panel, expand Packages and Utilities and choose Export Archive Course. Now you'll see a list of backup package files. Click on the link for the package you'd like to download, and then save the file to your computer.